To pair your Soundcore Space One with the PC or a laptop, first you will need to enter a pairing mode on the headset. You will need to find a power button on the left ear cap. Let me focus that for you. Okay, so there's the button right here. Click and hold it until your lamp above it starts glowing with the blue light. Now we're in the pairing mode. If it doesn't work, then try again, hold the same button, and it should at some point start glowing just like that. So now we can move to my PC. We can click on the Wi-Fi sign in the bottom right corner, then navigate to the Bluetooth. Make sure that it's on. You can click on it right here, and when it's not grayed out, that means it's on. Then select this arrow next to it and move to Advanced Bluetooth Settings. Then click on Add Device, select Bluetooth from the list, and then there's the Soundcore Space One. Select it by clicking on it with the mouse, and then it should be connected with your laptop.